it's your boy Aing here, bringing to you guys a brand new freaking video, man. So look, listen, today we got a fun one. Today we got an exciting one. Today we've got a banger. So as you guys can see, we're not home. We're about 3 hours away. It's 11:40. This place is 20 minutes away now, and the appointment is in 20 minutes. We're on top of a parking garage, so it's super windy, so I'm sorry. But without further ado, let's get this cab mount chopped. All right, so I'm here now, 3 hours away at WeldWorks Fabrications. If you didn't check out last video, we're rubbing pretty bad on the cab mount. Thankfully, we haven't actually rubbed yet today, but when it's rubbing really bad. I'm gonna tell him to go as aggressive as he can and hope it works out. He's also doing the pinch weld, so we're gonna do a body mount chop as well as the pinch weld. It's pretty horrid. So we just got here, 12:15, and now we're just waiting. So we've pulled the truck into the shop. We already did the left side. By we, I mean he, because, well, I have no skills, okay, let's be honest. WeldWorks Fabrication in Norfolk, Virginia. If you're interested, hit him up. The price is great. The work is awesome. This is what he does, okay? So we just finished this left side, so take a look at this. As you guys can see, there's a lot more space all through here. Wow. All right, so some time has passed since I did the cab mount chop. I did it on Saturday. It's currently Monday. I'm pretty sure we've all seen the videos of the people that go to a chiropractor and then they start crying because of the relief that they feel. That's how I feel right now with this cab mount chop. But let's talk a little bit more about what actually happened. I hit up Facebook and I asked them, hey guys, look, listen, need a cab mount chop. Anybody know where I can go? Everyone recommended the same shop, WeldWorks Fabrication, Norfolk, Virginia. If you're near, I too highly recommend them. 3 hour drive. I head out that way, guys. 3 hours out, and I forgot the plates to do the cab mount chop. How do I forget the plates? Let me just say, getting the plates was, well, I mean, it wasn't difficult, but I ordered them from a very popular site. It took me like 2 weeks to get them. The whole time I'm like, I need them. And then I'm driving 3 hours away and I forgot them. So that's my life. I thought it was gonna be a big issue, but WeldWorks actually offered their own plates, which is great. So now I'm gonna show you guys actual chops, let you guys look at it and enjoy this beauty of a cut. So as you guys can see, the cab mount chop is right there. You guys can see right here how much actually was cut off. All of this was cut off. This side was actually my pain point, and with it being fully locked, fully stuffed, we got about 2 inches of clearance, which is amazing. As you guys can see, it's like 2 fingers worth right here. You guys can see right there. I mean, it looks pretty freaking good. But just like that, we're running 285s without a problem. We are looking absolutely amazing. The truck is sitting very nice. The truck looks very big. I don't know why, now that I have the cab mount chop, right now that I can enjoy the tires, I'm like, wow, they look pretty wide. The video doesn't do it justice. So that's right, we got the cab mount chop, we're good to go. Honestly, with this cab mount chop, I don't think I can go 35s. I will probably end up doing a relocate, probably like in a year or so. And I have more mods that are more intriguing, at least as of right now, to do to the truck. Let me know if you guys done a cab mount chop. Let me know if you guys have gone more aggressive than I have. I don't know how aggressive this is. I just told him, can you go as aggressive as you can? And that's what I got. So there you go. But nonetheless, I hope you guys did enjoy. If you did, please leave a like, a comment, and a subscription. Again, boys, we're on the road to 1 million. We're so close. We're right there. We just need a little bit of a push. But nonetheless, it's been your boy. I'm out of like an Audi. I'll see you tomorrow. Cinco de Malo. Peace.
What's up? It's your boy here, bringing you guys a brand new freaking video.